iHRMS from Indovision is an intelligent HR solution that is a combination of hardware and software resources designed to manage an organization's computerized and automated human resource processes using web and mobile-based applications. Hello, welcome to Employees Time Scheduling video of iHRMS. Companies today have different departments and their employees work round the clock, so they need separate work shifts to manage employees' attendance and salary. Indovision iHRMS can provide a solution for employees' time scheduling. This here is the dashboard of Super Admin ID of iHRMS portal. Let's begin with creating a work shift. In Settings, here we have settings divided in different groups. Go in Companies. It gives the list of all the companies, but we are interested in work shift. From here we can see work shifts of any company that we choose. We get the list of all the work shifts of this company. The table have column for company name, shift name, from and to time of the shift, late minutes allowed every day, late days allowed in a month, attendance deduction days if employees get late after allowed days, attendance deduction type, that is whether the attendance to be deducted every day or from a group of days, status of the work shift, whether it is active or inactive, then action, which has some buttons to disable the active work shifts. For example, if you press this button, data successfully updated. Now if we select the company, now the status of that shift is inactive. And we can view details of a shift with these eye icons. Here is the detail. To add a new work shift, we have to fill up these fields. First select company, then shift name, from time, to time, late minutes allowed, late days allowed in a month, attendance deduction if employee is late after allowed late days. And in this box, we can divide the work shift in 4 or less parts and specify how much attendance is to be deducted when employees arrive late. For example, our shift begins at 3 p.m. and we select 4 p.m. here. And if an employee came between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. after the allowed late minutes, then 0.25 of that day's attendance should be deducted. And if he came after 4 p.m. and before 5 p.m., then 0.5 of his attendance of that day should be deducted. This detailing in deduction control is optional. If you don't fill in these details, then system will simply follow this rule. Next is attendance deduction type. It tells when the attendance is to be deducted, after each day or after a group of late days. Here we have to specify the number of days that form the group. And then deduction settings to specify whether to make latecomers deduction setting optional or mandatory while generating or editing final attendance. Let's just keep it optional. New work shift successfully saved. Now let's check it. Here it is, with all the right data. Now let's allot this work shift to employees. For that, we have to go in Attendance Management, Working Shift Update, select Name of Company. Here we got the list of employees with their code, name, email ID, employment status, and shift. To change a work shift, just select it from here. This is the shift that we just made. And it's done. Simple. 2 employees are now in this new shift. We can also check the effect of shift change in the attendance of these employees by going in monthly summary attendance for select company and say January. Now search that employee. Here is he. See, we got a miss punch button in each day because this attendance is not according to his shift. See, in this entry, when he was well in the office timing of 9:45 and 6:15, we still got a miss punch button here because now his shift timings are this 3 to 11. But this is a past and freeze attendance, so there will be no problem. Change in shift can also have an effect on late penalty. Late penalty is applied from here in generate final attendance, edit draft attendance. Here select a month, say August, company. Here is the attendance for August. It's all dummy data. And with this button we can apply late penalty. 2 employees penalized for late coming. With this, we are done with the attendance management part in time scheduling. For more features of attendance module, please watch the attendance video of IHRMS. Now, late penalty can also be applied during salary calculation. In salary management, salary calculation. From here, we can select one of these 2 options of with or without late penalty. For salary calculation, we just have to select company, year, month, calculation type, and then submit. And these options will work regarding of whether we have applied late penalty while generating attendance or not. For entire salary calculation process, you can watch the salary management video of IHRMS. This was all about employee time scheduling in IHRMS. If you want to make any changes, we can customize this module according to your needs. And for more details, refer to the description of this video. Thank you for watching.